Hello, my name is Alain Newstead. I am a student at Bishopstown Community School in Cork. I would like to explain how we came to create the Irish Sign Language version of the National Anthem. The Lord Mayor of Cork City was planning on visiting our school, and he asked all the students to learn the National Anthem before his visit. So the hearing students were learning the anthem, but I couldn't understand the English or the Irish versions. My deaf friends and my deaf teacher and I felt so frustrated and disappointed. We looked it up on the computer and we couldn't find an Irish Sign Language version of the National Anthem, but India and America have anthems in their own sign languages, and we were shocked to see that. On the day of the Lord Mayor's visit, all the students performed the National Anthem, and I felt so left out. That day, I wrote a letter to Senator Mark Daly and to the Shannon Committee working on the National Anthem to ask them to provide an Irish Sign Language version of the National Anthem. The Shannon Committee invited our school to make a presentation to them. They asked us to take responsibility for creating an Irish Sign Language version of the National Anthem for the whole nation. So we set about working with the deaf community in Ireland to get an Irish Sign Language version of the National Anthem.